Imagine sitting at a restaurant, menu in hand, and realizing you have absolutely no idea what to say or order. It's one of those moments where even simple English can feel tricky.
Honestly, I've been there and I remember my first time. I just pointed at a random dish, hoping I wouldn't regret it. Hi everyone, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jay with Mr. Simple English. Today, we're diving into real restaurant English conversations, showing you how to order confidently, handle mistakes, and even pay the bill without a sweat.
We'll break down ordering food, asking for recommendations, dealing with special requests, handling problems, and ending your meal smoothly. By the end, you'll sound natural and maybe even hungry.
So, let's get started. You walk in and the host greets you. What's a natural way to ask for a table, Sophia?
I'd probably smile and say, "Table for two, please?" It's simple but works almost everywhere. If you have a reservation, just add, "We have a reservation under Smith."
Exactly. And if the restaurant is busy, you might hear, "Would you mind waiting a few minutes?" Don't panic. Just reply, "Sure, that's fine."
It's amazing how a friendly tone makes everything smoother. Once you're seated, a little small talk with your dining partner can help you relax before the server arrives.
Now comes the big moment, ordering your food. Jitters are normal. What's your go-to phrase when you're ready to order, Sophia?
I usually start with, "Could I please have?" and then the dish. For example, "Could I please have the chicken salad?" It feels polite and clear.
That's solid advice. And if you need a minute, just say, "Could we have a few more minutes?" Or ask, "What do you recommend?" That one always sparks a friendly chat.
Servers love it when you ask for recommendations. They know the menu inside out, and sometimes you discover amazing dishes you'd never try otherwise.
That reminds me, what if you need to make a special request? Maybe you're allergic to something or want your food a certain way.
Good question. I'd say, "Could you leave out the onions?" Or, "Is it possible to get the sauce on the side?" Both are polite and clear, so the server knows exactly what you want.
Don't be shy about these requests. Restaurants hear them all the time, and clear communication helps you get what you need without awkwardness.
It's all about being kind and direct. If you have an allergy, always say, "I'm allergic to nuts. Does this dish have any?" That keeps you safe and helps the staff help you.
Sometimes, though, things don't go perfectly. Maybe the food's cold or the order is wrong. How do you handle that, Sophia?
I try to keep it friendly but clear. "Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered," or, "Sorry, but my soup is a bit cold. Could you warm it up?" Most servers appreciate your honesty if you're polite.
Absolutely. A calm, respectful tone solves so many issues and keeps the meal enjoyable for everyone.
Plus, you never know, they might surprise you with a free dessert as an apology. It pays to be nice.
All good meals must end. So, when it's time to pay, what's the simplest way to ask for the bill?
I just say, "Could we get the check, please?" Or, "May I have the bill?" Both are common and clear.
After paying, a quick "Thank you so much, everything was great" goes a long way. It's a strong, positive finish.
If you're in a group, you might need to ask, "Can we split the bill?" That's totally normal in most places now.
Let's recap 3 key takeaways. First, simple, polite phrases are your best friend in restaurants.
Second, don't be afraid to ask questions or make requests. Servers want to help you enjoy your meal.
And third, handling mistakes with kindness and clarity keeps things positive for everyone involved.
Your next step? Practice these phrases out loud, maybe with a friend or even by yourself before your next meal out. You'll be amazed how much confidence you gain.
Thanks for joining us on Mr. Simple English. Until next time, happy dining and may all your meals be delicious and drama-free.